Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by getting physical connections right. Plug the Chromecast into an HDMI port and attach the USB power or the wall adapter. This ensures stable power. Once done, switch your TV's input to that HDMI so you can see the device's setup screen. Make sure your phone is already on the same home Wi-Fi you plan to use. This matters because the phone will securely transfer network credentials to the Chromecast during setup. You'll open the Google Home app and choose Add, then Set Up Device and New Device to let the app search for the Chromecast. This is how your phone and dongle establish a trusted pairing. When your TV displays a verification code, check it against the phone to prevent accidental connections to other devices. After verification, pick the Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Give the Chromecast a clear name so you can pick it quickly from casting menus. Once setup finishes, you'll see a confirmation on the TV and your Chromecast will appear in Google Home. Now you can tap the cast icon in apps like YouTube or Netflix to start streaming or mirror your phone for presentations. If something goes wrong, try the simplest fix first. Reboot the router, the phone, and unplug the Chromecast for 10 seconds before plugging it back in. Then reopen Google Home and retry setup to clear temporary network or discovery issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.